You're given the derivative, but can you rebuild the original function in under a minute? Let's see. Given f prime of x equals this, and f of 0 is 2. Find f of x. We integrate f prime of x to get f. So integration both sides. We get f of x equals 2x cubed divided by 3 minus 3e to the power of x plus c. Now for the twist. Use the point f of 0 equals 2. Now we put the point in function f of x. Gives us 2 equals 2 times 0 cubed divided by 3 minus 3 times e to the power of 0 plus c. We get 2 equals 0 minus e to the power of 0 is 1, and 3 times 1 is 3 plus c. So c equals 5, so the original function is f of x equals 2/3 x cubed minus 3e to the power of x plus 5. Follow for more math magic in 60 seconds or less.